All right, congratulations everyone. We've made it to Unit 3 of Module 2. This is Activity 1. So we're talking about students with special needs in this unit. And for this first activity, quickly looking at the submission, there's no rubric, so this is a complete or incomplete assignment. So let's see what we have to do. So participate in the discussion forum on this activity. So we're going to be active in the discussion forum, which is not popping up there, but we know where that is. And we have to write a reflection on the role of personalized learning in special education today and how you see it being applied to 21st century classrooms that are student-centered. That includes justifications for your opinions. So again, this reflection is going to be kind of your ideas, but again, where did those ideas come from? Did they come from some of these resources over here? Did they come from the VC, from faculty discussion? Did they come from other resources you found? Okay, so again, in grad school, we're looking at how you made these, how you came up with these ideas. Your reflection is less about, what you think 2 weeks ago. It's more about what you think now after you've learned a bit about the topic. So again, this overview is a lot about IDEA and special education in the United States. So you guys are to compare the role of special education in different settings. So the settings that are given to you are some of these videos over here. We've got Arizona, New York, and Finland. So let's take a look at what we have to do. So research and reflect on the role of personalized learning in special education. So open the following resources to get you started. So you're going to watch these videos. So you're taking some notes on these videos. You're kind of thinking about, what are some of those strategies? Because again, you're probably going to use these in your reflection, right? And your discussion. So number 2, collaborate on the discussion forum with your cohort to share how special ed is addressed in the schools in the country where you're living. So what are they doing at your school? So you've got some information of these 3, and then you're going to add extra information to discussion forum discussing these advantages and disadvantages to what you see at your school. And for example, someone talks about their school in Korea, someone talks about their school in Brazil, and then you kind of can discuss between those two. All right, so you can compare on how the schools work with kids with disabilities in these different countries. And then finally, you're going to submit a well-formulated reflection on the role of personalized learning in special education. So we have to teach to those kids and how you see it being applied to 21st century classrooms that are student-centered. Again, teaching to those kids. So justify your opinions in the reflection, like we said earlier. Okay? Not a big deal on this one, but definitely some videos to watch and a lot to learn about the differences between how some countries deal with kids with special needs and how other countries do. So learn a little bit about that and show us what you've learned. Thanks so much. Talk to you next time.